What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jake with JPG Tank Productions, and today I have a cool video for you guys. So I got some stuff in the bag. I'm gonna unveil this stuff in the bag in a bit, but first I'm gonna show you guys around the car. I have done a couple things to the car that I haven't documented, but because I kind of like rushed them, but at the same time I just got bored and didn't really want to record. I was just like, I'm gonna do this, see how this looks. I don't like it, I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys around real quick before I get into this. So I made a blackout panel, guys. It's a little dirty because it's been under the carport a little bit, but I made a blackout panel. All it is plasti dip, but it's some gloss plasti dip, so it looks like a gloss finish and everything. I did mess up right here. It's a little line right here, and this little crack, but the thing is I can redo it, and I still have half a can to redo it, so I can show you guys in another video how to do it, which is not that bad of a problem, you know? It's not that bad, but I mean, I do like it. Compliments the GT500 wing, and we'll go look at this. Also, I tried to do the talights, tried doing some talights, and I messed up, and that was also a spare of the moment, you know, freak it type of thing. But look at that. Look at those rotors, guys. Some slotted in Joe rotors all around. And we're building this for you guys. I'll link the rotors on eBay. I'll link the rotors on eBay, and I'll link where to get all this stuff or stuff like that. I got all this stuff at O'Reilly's, the dip at O'Reilly's. So I'll link all this stuff online if you guys want to order it and don't want to head out to your local store. It was $16.64. And all I got was a can, some sandpaper, and that's about it. So let me show you guys what's inside here actually. So basically all I got was I got two separate transactions in my bag. A can, got some, it's hard to do with one hand, I should use a gorilla pot. Some rags. Did two separate transactions, but it came out to like $20, 16 something, and then the sandpaper stuff, $20. So I got a 1500 and a 200, 2000, 1500 and a 2000, and that's pretty much all we're gonna need to do. So other than that, let's get into it. We'll take off the lights. We've ever taken out these tail lights. I don't even ever take out these tail lights, but basically you would just pull the two little pins right here, pin and pin, and then unscrew the little quick ties right here, unscrew that, and this cover should come off free. But I don't have like my quick ties on my car or anything, so I would just recommend you get a 7/16 little wrench, and that takes off the bolt. There's a bolt here in this corner, and there is a couple more in there. It's pretty easy to find. It's self-explanatory. Those bolts come out, and pretty much all you gotta do. So I'm using a wrench. I'm using it the hard way because I don't have any sockets, so I gotta use a wrench. I don't have sockets, but I recommend use a socket. And just come out, just twist right, and the bulbs come out. So this is also helpful if you're ever replacing bulbs on a 2005-2009 Mustang. But it's also the same way in the 99 to 04 years. I learned how to do this from the 99 to 04 years, but it's the same when you're doing it to 05 to 09. Just unscrew the bulbs, they come out, just squeeze, you just turn, and they come out, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. So I'm just gonna take off the reverse light, and we'll go from there. So that's a clear tail light. It's a clear tail light, and that is a smoked light. It's a little dark. Sprayed with the can, and I'm gonna do this one. I'll show you guys how to do this one. So yeah. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jake, or JBG Productions, and it's nighttime, and this is 2 days after I sprayed the tail lights with tail lights in. I just washed the car, so the car looks really, really pretty. If you look, the car looks really, really, really clean. So yeah, I just washed the car. I'll show you guys the deck lid, the brakes, I guess, now that the car's clean, the deck lid, the brakes, and the tail lights. So let's do this. So this is what my tail lights look like. They're smoked tail lights, and I smoked them with the VHG can, and with the clean look VHG. There's the deck lid that I made with some spray dip, and another tail light I did. Actually, I think one tail light, I think this one's lighter than this one, but I did spread even coats all around. But it does complement the GT500 ring, I'll tell you that. Like the rear end, it's just missing a GT500 bumper and an exhaust. GT500 bumper and an exhaust is what this rear end's missing, and I think this rear end's pretty much done. And maybe a new chrome or a different color little cap and some glue gun on that. But also still on the focus of smoking, I'm gonna smoke these for you guys in a separate video. I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna smoke them for you guys. So I'm gonna smoke those, the side markers, and I'm gonna smoke the third brake light, as I have not smoked the third brake light yet. So I gotta smoke all of it, and then eventually we're gonna get some bulbs, since these are kind of dark. We're gonna get some new reverse bulbs so you guys can see out, and pretty much then we'll work from there. Then we'll work around the car a little bit. We'll start a little bit of the interior, we'll start a little bit of the front end, and we'll work our way from there pretty much. Now the front end, I don't know what to do to it. Front end's a hard choice because you gotta buy a GT bumper and all that. So yeah, that's a hard choice. I like that front end, but I don't know. And I also might redo the tire letters for you guys in a different video. That's for sure gonna happen. The tire letters and the smoking of the markers, that's for sure gonna happen. So that looks really, really clean. Now the lights are really, really dark, and that's with the car really clean. They're really dark, and so honestly I would recommend to go a little lighter. Of course, follow the tutorial the way I did it, which would be 1500 sandpaper, 2000 sandpaper, the spray, and these are not clear coated yet, but I would recommend you do that. I would recommend you clear coat them. I think clear coating them gives them that shine, because when they get dirty, they look flat. They go flat black. So I would recommend you clear coat them, as I've seen some clear ones, and they look really, really good when they're clear. So just letting you guys know about that. Now the reason I say don't go too dark is because those are normal bulbs, and you cannot see out of the lights. Well, I mean, you can see out of the lights. These are my normal lights. You can see them, like from far away and everything. You can see them and stuff, like a normal light. But the thing is, like, I wouldn't go dark. Video is helpful, and everything, like I said, link down in the description below. Have a good one. Take care, and peace, guys.